Hello my lovely foodies, in this recipe video we are making a perfect eggless choco lava cake without any oven. So let's begin the recipe. As we are making chocolate lava cake without using the ramekin cups, we will make our own disposable ramekin cups, and for that we have taken a glass. Take any type of a glass having small base and a wide mouth like this one, and then take an aluminium foil, fold it twice like this. Place it under the base of the glass or over the base of the glass, and then keep on folding it inside. As you are seeing here, fold the edges, tuck in the extra foil, and we are all set with our 5 disposable ramekin cups. For the chocolate lava cake, we will sift half a cup of maida, that is all-purpose flour, then 1/4 cup of castor sugar, that is powdered sugar. Let's take 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's sift all these together. Remember to always sift your flour before making cake or pastries to get a smooth finish. Let's mix and blend this together. Keep this bowl of dry ingredients aside and move on to the next step. Now for melting chocolate with butter, we will use the double boiler method. You can even do this in the microwave. Take any vessel and in that add as much water to boil that it doesn't touch the above kept bowl. You can use a heat safe glass bowl or even a steel bowl. Then drop in 50 grams of butter or 1/4 cup melted butter, salted or unsalted. Upon this, we will break apart pieces of 100-gram dark chocolate and then add it. The chocolate and the butter will slowly start melting from the heat of water vapors below, but as soon as the water starts boiling, remove the bowl. Still keep on continuously stirring till the chocolate completely melts and dissolves. In the microwave too, you need to melt the chocolate same way. Just melt the chocolate 60% and then take it out. Continuously keep on stirring till it melts completely. We'll now take half a cup of condensed milk. Whisk it to make it airy and smooth. Add side kept bowl of dry ingredients in it. Mix and blend this nicely with the liquid to get a smooth batter. Then quickly add the melted chocolate before it turns stiff. As we need to make this chocolate batter runny or of pouring consistency, we will add half a cup of milk in this. The batter still doesn't seem of desired consistency, so we will add 1/4 cup of more milk in it. If you want to, instead of milk, you can add water to it. Check the consistency, it should be of pouring consistency. Add the milk or water accordingly. Now to bake chocolate lava cake without an oven, you will take half a kg or 2 cups of sand or salt. Add it to any old kadhai or pressure cooker. Spread it evenly all over. Place a plate over it. Never directly place your baking dish on the sand or salt. And then place a lid. Preheat it on low for about 10 minutes. Let the oven get preheated. Meanwhile, we will start preparing the chocolate lava cups, and for that we will grease these molds with butter or oil. Pour the batter 3/4 of the cup to give us space for rising. Our oven is preheated. Place the cups inside. Bake them on low to medium for 10 or if required 11 minutes. Check out the picture of the lava cake to your right side. These are overbaked. This is the result of one of our failed attempts, and the perfect texture of the choco lava cake that we are looking for is on our left side to get that lava out of the choco lava cake. Have a look at this hot bursting lava. If you like the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, do consider to subscribe pressing the red button along with the bell icon. Till we meet again with another interesting recipe, enjoy and bye-bye.